Good day everyone, we are Group 7 and this is our laboratory exercise number 4.
Laboratory exercise. These activities are for teaching the basic programming and controlling methods using PLC. The activities are related to each other, and in the end there should be only one complete PLC program for controlling the station.
Ano to? Nakarang.
Pakita mo muna yung ring.
Sige, yan mo na. Pindutin mo muna yan.
Isa, hindi na ilaw. Dalawa. Ilaw. Kahit anong combination ng dalawa, ilaw.
Para pindutin mo. Hintayin mo na.
Kung tatlo, hindi na ilaw. Dalawa. Tatlo. Dalawa. Tatlo.